Willie, play me some. I just want to hear you, Willie. Play me the saddest train licks you know.
You get to be in the video?
This is the blues for all y'all that are sitting waiting for that skunk train, right? It takes 20 minutes for one train to go by. You know what I'm talking about. You know exactly what I'm talking about. Yeah. I thought I was going to have a... Oh no, I didn't think that was actually going to come. Sorry, I lived in the smart train. That's fine. I love the smart. Cliff, I love vegans and smart trains.
I love vegans, baby.
I was standing for 40 minutes.
40 minutes.
John, it was raining, it was cold, it was nothing like this. When the local man came to the track, I didn't care where he was going. I said that. What'd I say, John? What did you say, John?